So in 5b, again, we've got an equation of a circle and we've got an equation of a straight line. So they're going to look like that. They're going to cross in two places. So we need to solve both solutions. And we also have been told that it's correct to 3 significant figures, which means that we're going to have to use the formula. We're not going to be able to factorize. So I'm going to call this equation 2 and equation 1, and I'm going to substitute the linear one into the quadratic, which is going to give me x squared plus this one, y squared 1 plus 3x all squared equals 32, which I now expand. X squared plus 1 squared is 1, plus 3x is plus 6x, plus 3x squared is plus 9x squared equals 32. X squared plus 9x squared, that's 10x squared plus 6x plus 1 equals 32. So 10x squared plus 6x, and I'm going to minus 32 here. 1 minus 32 is minus 31 equals 0. And this is not going to factorize. I can't divide everything by 2 to keep it simple, so I go straight for the formula here. I've got my a and b and c here. So x equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared, b is 6, minus 4 times 10 times minus 31 all over 2 times 10, 2a. X equals minus 6 plus or minus square root of 36. Minus 4 times 10 is minus 40, and I use a calculator here. Minus 40 times minus 31 is plus, minus times a minus is a plus, 1, 2, 4, 0, all over 20. So I simplify this bit by bit as I go, which is minus 6 plus or minus the square root of 1276 over 20, which gives me, if I do the plus version, minus 6 plus that divided by 20 gives me 1.486, or other version, minus 6 take away square root of 1276 all divided by 20 gives me minus 2.086. Y is 1 plus 3 lots of x, so I'm going to, while this is in my calculator, I'm going to calculate this one. I'm going to write my solutions up here. X equals 1.49 to 3 significant figures, or x equals minus 2.09 to 3 significant figures. When that's true, y equals 1 plus 3 lots of that, so I'm going to times by 3 plus 1, y equals minus 5.26. And in this one, to get this accurate, I'm going to go back to this and do that calculation on my calculator again. So that is minus 6 plus root 1276, all divided by 20. Check that it gives me that same answer again, which it does. And now multiply by 3 and add 1. And that gives me y equals 5.46. And this is my pair of solutions for that question.